guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be filming my cash envelope and sinking funds stuffing for the first paycheck of October. This is where I store all of my envelopes and sinking funds. So I'm going to start with my cash envelope. So the first one that I have here is for my son Julian. He will be getting $20. So the next envelope I'm going to be filming is for my daughter, Ruby, and she will be getting $30. The next envelope is Treat Yourself, and that's getting $20 this paycheck. Alright, so now onto my sinking funds. So this week, Dollar Tree will be getting $10. Tattoo will be getting $20. Car will be getting $10. Christmas will be getting $40. Birthdays will be getting $20. So my bank actually didn't have tens, so I would rather not do it like this, but it's fine. And then that's all of the sinking funds that I will be filling this paycheck. So these ones are actually just ones that were sitting in my wallet from the last time I got paid. So I have this savings cash envelope that I will be storing any leftover ones and $5 bills inside of it. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. $10. So that is going to be it for this video. If you guys liked it, please make sure to hit that like button and subscribe. And every 2 weeks, when I get paid bi-weekly, I will be filming my cash envelope stuffing and sinking funds.